How to get and buy coins on Reddit. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get and buy coins on Reddit easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to reddit.com and log into your account. This is the homepage as you can see. Now go to the top and click on get coins right here and choose the amount that you want, 500 or 1000, 2000, almost 3000, 7000, 40,000 or 80. Now choose the one that you want. I'm going to choose, for example, this. Choose the payment method. If you want to pay with your credit card or your PayPal, and click continue to PayPal or complete purchase. And it's very easy, just try it. Just click here, choose amount and choose the payment and fill the information here and click complete. Don't forget to like and subscribe.